Welcome guys to this tutorial about CreateStudio. Today I will show you the program and how it will work and show you exactly what you can do with it. So let's jump right into it. So first let's go over the main home page. Here you have it, easily create pixel style 3D videos, just like this. So here is create custom 3D characters, as you can see, and also add your logo in it. Automatic lip syncing for your character. No complex animating, just point and click. Here you got scroll stopping effects, device mockups, explosion, etc. And let's just jump right into the program right now. So here we are in Createrstudio. So let's click on new project. Here we are. If we want, for example, a character, we will click on character and let's wait. And if we want, for example, the Safari guide, which is pretty funny, click on download and let's wait for it to load. Here we are, it is downloaded, and let's click on Safari guide and drag it right in here. As you can see, this is the character. Let's click on play and let's wait. So here it is, it's waving, for example. But you can also, like for example, click on here and let's say driving a Jeep. And here is it, driving a Jeep. Let's wait it for it to load. As you can see, and you can add a background in here if you want to. So let's go back to the scenes and let's add a scene like so. Here's the settings of the character. I've done it with running away. The position, you can position it going to the right, going to the left, let's say left. And now you can see it comes in the transition from the left, and then it's running like no. You can also make it back rotate and jump into. So there are a lot of things you can actually do. And here you can add a border if you want to, position it, 3D rotation, add some shadow, a anchor point if you want to, a blend mode, a track mat, so you can actually track it with a mask, and titles. So let's go back to media, and from here on you can add certain, so you can add, for example, this one in as well, like my logo, and do this above, and now you will see it running in my scene. And you can also go back to the studio and add more ones. You got like a lot of categories if you want to use more: doodle, animals, classy, and just scenes, for example. So if you do, for example, the tablet, let's download it and I'll show you. Here it is. Let's remove this one, make the character a little bit less big, and now it's in the tablet running away. So that's kind of funny, and you can play around with it a lot, and you can make long videos with it. Here you got all different kinds of scenes, for example Merry Christmas, and let's download it. Here's the scene edit, and the tablet is on top with the running man, Merry Christmas. You can play around like a lot. You can also do like a thumbs up. It's pretty funny, I think. Let's see how it ends up. Here it is, the thumbs up, Merry Christmas in your tablet. You can make it bigger, shorter, and that's about it for this scene. And then you got music. You can put music under it, like cinematic music. If you like it, you can download it and just put it right below, and now you got a scene with music. And also do the volume, fade it in, so when it starts it fades in, so the sound is not real loud at the beginning. You can generate captions if you want to, so you can also let it generate captions, so you don't have to translate anything. It's just generating it. You can add the effects again. Then here you have effects, so the glitch effect, for example, if we add that in on the scene, do that, then you will see the glitch effect. Let me see where it is. Here you see the glitch effect. So there are all kinds of effects inside the program, so that's really great. And also some translations if you want to. For example, let me do this, transitions. If you want to add a transition in here, there's already one. Let's see, it's loading. So we did a lot with it, but also don't make it over edited. And then you have the 3D characters, so not like the ones I've shown you before. For example, if you got like this country hat girl, you can just download it. So here it is downloaded. You just drag it in again, and let's do it right here. Drag her in. Yes, she's standing. Let me remove the rest so it stands out a bit more. Here she is, and you can also give her another top. So for example, a doctor top, a black jacket, a bottom, another hat. You can also give her motion, just like before. For example, this, she comes from the bottom, or from the top in this case. You can let her do actions. So for example, let her be happy, and here you go, woo, happy. And you can also save it if you want to. and also add here the properties, the shadow, the anchor point, etc. There are a lot of options. As you can see, you can make a lot of videos with it just the way you want, and you can make it really easy animated videos, just for example for your brand or for your company or for any YouTube videos you want to make. Thank you for watching. If you would like to join, the link is in the description. It is an affiliate code, but if you want to use it, you're absolutely free, of course. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Thank you for watching.